So, hello, once again I'm back on my old, trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition. As always, I'm recording locally and streaming today on YouTube live service. Let's check out the stream if it's working properly. Let's go to Vivaldi browser, live streaming. Yes, it does work, fine. So yeah. Once again, we are back in Nyarch Linux. Let me show you the system information through the GUI first. 32 GB of RAM, 2 TB SD storage space. CPU is an AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX, and the GPU also an AMD Radeon RX 6800M. As I said, we're back in Nyarch Linux, the latest version that was released late April 2026. It's GNOME version 50 and Wayland, of course, and the Linux kernel is 714 something something. So let's go now to the terminal. You can pause the stream and take a good look at your own pace, or later the video when it will be available on the YouTube channel. Just pay attention to the screen resolution, which is full 4K 3840 by 2160, running at 120 Hz. And today, as you will soon see on the OBS settings, I'm recording and streaming at yes, full 4K resolution, but 60 FPS. And let's reset now the terminal, zoom out, and let's go now to the OBS settings. Here we are. Video, full 4K resolution, 60 FPS. I'm using 30,000 bitrate. Hardware encoders for the audio, it's FMPEG AAC, and for the video, FMPEG VAPI H264, and of course the file is an MKV. So with these things out of the way, let me show you what is Nyarch Linux or Nyarch Linux. Sorry, let's go to the official website. Here we are. The perfect Linux distribution for degenerated weebs, ARC based, so you also need a neckbeard. So yeah, maybe I'm a weeb after all, maybe a degenerated one, and maybe I will have a neckbeard sooner than later. But yeah, anyway, they have some apps packaged in this Linux distribution, and then you can also have GNOME and KD Plasma editions. And of course, you can read all about these things in this weeb website, in this weeb site. Anyway, I'm having a fun so far, customizing the system. This is my top panel at the moment. The main menu is here. Then this is the dock. I have my workspaces set up. I have like this one here, the upgrade, like this. So yeah, I'm using of course extensions, etc, etc. But today we are here to stress test the system by running my Final Fantasy XIV, the MMORPG, at the full 4K resolution, 60 FPS recording, streaming, while having plenty of apps open, and so on. If things will go bad, I will try to return. If, for example, the recording will crash or the stream will crash, I will try to return as soon as possible. So yeah, I'm going to log in the game. It has all the latest patch content, updates, expansion. It's called Dawn Trail, as you'll soon see. It's like, how can I say this? Yeah, I'm not going to play the game. I'm just going to show you around. It's going to be the character inside the city hub. It's usually, regardless of the date and the time, it has plenty of other people playing, logged in and so on. And I will just run around the city hub and then take the character outside the city hub. Dawn Trail, Final Fantasy XIV Online. So yeah, and then when I will go outside, I will fight like a few low-level mobs, and consider this just a test, nothing else. So let's check out the initial performance while streaming and recording. Okay, this is very good. It's like 60 FPS. Okay, so let's run around a bit. Plenty of people online. The blue bars are like real people logged in the game. And now let's run outside. Okay, I must say that the performance is pretty cool, pretty nice. Truth be told, I'm not sure if this is you know, a game related distro or whatever, but so far the performance is top notch. So let's do some damage here. Playing with just you know, like the mouse, it's pretty difficult for me, but the game is easy, so all good then. How about you, mister? Then how about you, Mrs., or whatever? Okay, we are done. So as you can see, let me check out the performance again. I'm always forgetting that the game closes this window when I'm going inside and outside the town. So yeah, not a clear sky. Maybe it's about to rain or something. Let's go back into the city hub, and I will leave the character there, of course, and then I will you know, try to continue the test. So far, amazing performance from the Nyarch Linux. Really no problem at all. So yeah, another thing that I have noticed is that I can do this expose, as I like to call it. This is like something that most Linux distributions is failing to launch properly. Maybe they changed something in the latest versions, and in the future I will be able to do this again with other Linux distributions. Or maybe just this Nyarch Linux and the extensions that I'm using or something. Anyway, back to testing now. I will start loading first the dock apps, and keep always in mind that I'm using you know, like some heavy amount of rising going on, theming if you prefer, or customizing. I'm also using my wallpaper jumper and the cursor factory scripts, among other things. I don't want you here, I want you here. Nice. I didn't see. Yes, you also go up here. Thank you. Then let's keep on going. I have also the terminal open. Here it is. And then let's go with GIMP. Okay, you go like this. Thank you. Let's open up something. I don't know, this file maybe. Cool. Again, focus in the center. Thank you. Let's go with Kdenlive. Suppose. Oh, that was fast. Okay. How about Tenacity? Okay. So right now I think most of the, not most, all of the dock apps are loaded. So let's just go back in the game. And as you can see, all the apps are adhering to my customizations. Okay, perfect performance. Impressive stuff. Let's keep on loading some more apps. I'll try now, you know, like the usual stuff, like flat seal, for example. Here it is. How about parabolic? Okay. And what else? Let's go with LibreOffice. Let's go with local send. Where is it? Inkscape. Here it is. Okay, I don't want you this big, so let's go here. Nice. Let's go with Krita as well. The system appears to have some great performance, like no issues at all. Oh wow, like nothing. Okay. So let's keep on going. How about Yoplin? Let's go, Yoplin. You focus here as well. Let's go back in the game. Oh wow, amazing. Yeah, I like what I'm seeing and feeling with the system. Let's go with Gwen View. And let's have some desktop wallpapers loaded. I think I have it something around, where is it? Here. And then desktop, pictures, yes. So this is the folder that I have like 1300 images, very high resolution, most of them, and it's like nothing. Let's go to some other spot. Yeah, it's amazing. Let's go to 4K resolution. Yeah, no problem at all. It's like nothing. Okay, what else? Let's go with a few more stuff. Okay, what I'm doing is already insane, but let's keep on pushing a little bit. Let's go with Nico Play or Neko Play. What else? How about Bazaar? Okay, I haven't loaded. Nice. As you can see, the performance really is amazing. Font manager, why not? Fantastic. It's like nothing. How about my extensions manager? Superb. Let's go back in the game. Again, nothing. Nice. Now let's go to LibreOffice Writer. Here it is. Let's have the usual, this is a test thing going on with my Amiga font. And how about the 24 or 26 size? Boom, just like nothing. Okay, let's keep on going some more. How about Catgirl Downloader? Perfect. How about calendar? Let's go with the weather as well. Yeah, as you can see, no trouble at all. Literally no trouble at all. What else? Nyarch Tour, why not? Okay, here it is. Back to the game. Yeah, fantastic. I think I have to check if the test is going on, the recording, everything. Yeah, 0 drop frames, superb performance. Okay, I will just now exit the game and start exiting apps. So I think the test has concluded. Yeah, fantastic performance. I don't know what to say. Just fantastic. How about don't save? Thank you. And then keep on going. Sorry, what am I doing? Like this. This will need my attention to tell it that I don't want to save anything. I'm on purpose slow with closing the apps because I don't want to do something stupid. Okay, nice. So yeah, I think this was a good test. I have no words really. It's like you know, a weeb or not a weeb, good distribution to have, good experience. And trust me, I have more info on these matters in the days ahead. Tomorrow we'll try to see what's going on with Blackmagic's DaVinci Resolve Studio 21. And then we will see about you know, the guide and some other things that I have in mind regarding this Linux distribution. Fantastic stuff. Didn't expect it. Found it accidentally. I mean the distribution. I come across it totally by accident, and I thought it was some kind of you know, like a joke or something at first. Then maybe a fun distro, some like comical distro, but no. The people behind it clearly love what they are doing, at least to my amateur eyes, or to my has-been eyes. Yeah. As always, thank you for everything, and see you on the next one. Bye.